In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from one OneDrive account to another. This is a simple method that works by sharing the file from your first OneDrive account to your second one. It's a helpful option if you want to move access to a file without downloading it to your computer first and then uploading it again. Before you begin, make sure you can sign in to both OneDrive accounts so you can complete the transfer smoothly. Start by opening OneDrive and going to the My Files area. This is where you'll see the files stored in the account you want to transfer from. Take a moment to locate the file you want to move to the other account. If you have a lot of files, it may help to use the search bar or sort your files so you can find it faster. Once you've found the file, click the share icon for that file. This opens the sharing panel where you can send access to someone else. In this case, you'll be sharing the file with your other OneDrive account. Make sure you're selecting the correct file before continuing, especially if you're working with documents that have similar names. Next, in the email field, type the email address for the second OneDrive account, but be careful to enter it correctly. A typo here could send the file to the wrong place or prevent the share from going through. If OneDrive shows a suggested match, double check that it's the right account before moving on. After entering the email address, click Send. OneDrive will then send a sharing invitation to that second account. At this point, the file has been shared, and the other account will be able to access it through the invitation. Depending on your settings, the invite may appear in email or directly within the shared area of OneDrive. One important thing to understand is that this process shares the file rather than permanently relocating it in one click. So if your goal is to make the file available in the second account, this method is quick and effective. After the share is accepted in the other account, you can organize it there as needed. And that's it. By going to My Files, selecting the share option, entering the other account's email address, and sending the invitation, you can transfer access to a file from one OneDrive account to another in just a few moments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.